Hello class. So this week we're going to solve a system of equations using the substitution method. Our equation is 2x plus y equals 24 and y equals 4x. So in this second equation here, it tells us what the value of y equals. So we can just take this 4x and plug it in for y here. So 2x plus 4x equals 24. Well, 2x plus 4x equals 6x is equal to 24. Divide both sides by 6, and x equals 4. A pretty gnarly looking 4. Let's make that look a little better. Okay, so x equals 4. And what we can do to solve for y is where we've got our equation over here, y equals 4x, we can plug in x there. Y equals 4x. Y equals 4 times 4. Y is going to equal 16. So our solution set is going to be 4, 16. Let's plug that in here. Parentheses, 4, 16, close parentheses, enter. All done. Guys, that's how you solve system of equations using the substitution method. Thank you.